I will wear I two no more way. Now sit back and listen to VS. Ogedegun. They say na like this abi.
Okay, they are the more corona motion. I'm a corona man.
Oma ikuyo. What talk be?
Where sorting?
Iye mo pa awe o. Akala. Akala. Eohamuwe ona we uwe yame yo metuze. Nda edenoma igbe.
Obose no igbe.
Ya tuhani mawe. I will bring first of all, make them understand that we have the VS right here in the building.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? I go by the name Don VX. Finest, that's in Winnipeg Corona, Shorty Corona, Single Mother Corona, everything Corona. And you're watching the platform. I did believe like this.
You did believe like this.
With my brother, the citizen, Gorilla Multimedia.
You be. We are gonna lie. We heard that the Manisa will not go with us because I went with police the drag them. They said we were attacked. So how true is that?
Yeah, true. Although I didn't wanted to bring into media, but at the same time, I thought why is that anytime around so that they won't go for the victim for it.
Okay.
I was attacked. I think it was 3 days to my event.
Okay.
3 days to my show that I did at Wesleyan Hotel. I was driving through Arkansas, through Arkansas Stadium Road. So I was going to a brother's video shoot, which I was a featuring artist as well, 24 Bit from UK. So we had a collaboration with so many adult artists, famous Sakaba, Lebris, so many of them. What's it called? Nasty, Shaolin. So we're having the video shoot of that song, and the song was all about to project Edo and to give them advice of peace and unity and stuff. So I was driving that evening. Before that incident, I went
from the video shoot.
Going to the video shoot.
Okay.
Before that incident, I went to my laundry. Since I came to Nigeria, like, I don't wash clothes. They may have like a month in my more. So if I just use them just dirty, I just dump them, carry another one. So when I had it was a video shoot, I don't know the director. I never knew it was ABD who's gonna direct the video. So I said, let me go take all these clothes to my laundry, put all of them in the car and take to the video shoot. So the director can easily choose on how low, because it was not my video initially. It was a featuring, it was a collaboration. So I was driving down for my laundry. All the clothes, like the clothes I put on like a month in my car, in my backseat. My brother was driving, I was at the other side.
When I received
Meanwhile, I have a security, a standby security, 2 from State CID who normally work with me. But at that time, I didn't even a program, I didn't even monitor. Okay. So these guys were like, a month, me family, or we're with Christmas, or we're with New Year. So, 0 man of not quite a now we will not ban at least, may I give all these people like 2 days. With a family. But I told myself that these 2 days, I'm not going anywhere. You have a relax for a while. We could come and show, do this one. You have a relax. So let those security men go to their family, do their Christmas and New Year with their family, because within Christmas and New Year, although I sing good this to the family, but if you're not kicking on them, they are my family. So they left. So we are planning. The main video shoot the Monday. They left on Saturday, I think. Sunday I was home. I never went anywhere. So on Monday of it, which is return self. So now they don't know where if you see, I made a video shoot in one of okay. Now you just do coded move. Let me tell you the coded movie I really shoot. So it's like those people were already monitoring me. So cut the long story short, get into Arkansas. after I left my laundry, going to the video shoot, and battery developed sudden fault. But some motor wadoyo. It was at the center of the road. Now I'm not I passed motor now, I'm getting nowhere. So I was about stepping down to check what was wrong with the battery. The next thing I saw Les of Stevie 100, that old man. Lie down, lie down. So to me, they just want to rob and go, normal.
And that was what they did.
Yeah. No, they never did. They never robbed and went out. No. They extended it. It was like enough. So, in our way, lie down, lie down, lie down. So I lie down, my brother lie down, and they went inside my car, pack all the clothes. Where is your ATM? Instantly, man, now our ATM, yeah, I give them my ATM. Then my brother also give them his ATM. Then after robbing the car, took my shoes. They were like, you know, we signed let us man. And I started the motor on my move. So be it, only the reason in my Google spot in it. They Timothy making a wado drive it. You're down there. So now I'm moving here. Get up, get up, get up. You know what?
The both of you.
Yes. In that car, I can recall there was no chairs apart from Agevan or that. Agamaro. My what team here total? Oh gosh. You know why you total? You know, you cannot begin on a year robbery. Then they made America. Kidnapping on our. They drove us from Arkansas at another night. They make it Miraye. They drove us for some meetings. The next thing I had, Marseille, what was it called? Araken Lagos today.
Uluku.
Uluku. Kenari, different park here. Yao.
Okay, Yao, yeah.
They took us to Yao that night. And getting to Yao, you know, who gets the UBA? And I women know. Rasta, they were calling me Rasta, I can recall. How much in your UBA account? I can't say I don't remember, or I just use, I know they check my balance. How much should they feel withdraw a day? I mean, I wait 200,000 or a limit. Yeah, okay. When they asked my brother, only way I can't only we did there 26,000. Big! 26,000, all that Begushi pump. So just like that.
Okay.
Then they said I should come down. In a moment, we were with two of them. Yeah, they were 500 men. But now we stay for now with my vehicle. So if I the limit we they took my iPhone at that particular time. If I the limit we when you get the UBA now you send go swam that way you not collected the UBA. What if the pin? Not the pin yeah. But that if I at gunpoint honorary 4 digits na ya put it back we hale the right one we tie no quick back. You sure say correct? Yes, I now repeat it. Maybe I need to maybe. According now we say low there. If you not correct, we don't keep that. He correct sir. Be camera na sanakbo. At that time, you know, remember initially when you do the bill, we motor then Ivana Barry POS. Here is a POS. You know, we draw 100,000. So be it. I'm gonna control the POS in Marera. A ball or me and we draw the 100,000. So no near the POS initially now large. Or it large way. When we withdraw, I a ball and I have 100,000. Now we have 100,000 normally. Because here we are in. It means soon. Or ya with the ATM. Near we gonna me cash in it. And I already debited account money. Or we the paper na ya debit. Now is the paper near. Any ya me adi we moto. We need to have a money with money account or collected the money ma get the money near yeah. And me ya le to we.
Oisi guyan.
At one point, if I
oisi ni am o mekeni ari la.
Oh my God, oisi ni ni. Why go guyan and I cannot scream like when you say POS in they come in money where tifu. A Harry got him with motor. Any driver to me like one man barbecuing my yene. So Harry come on, I'm not team myself away. If you follow the go there, you know return will kill you other when you agree. So which is Ah, the moment we see going on in only the marry POS. Make have because they got him we don't know why I got him here. So should I say my brother was in hostage?
Yeah.
Was on hostage with them. But if I open hostage, because those people they can give you a close range. So get it to the POS. You know your phone I phone memory. So me say that the man where near going and marry when they ain't out on your country. There is no way you can give them 100,000 because it be scenario name around pressure. Or they under something that they can't put money for them and they think you can't cost some that in the money. And that was what I was going through. But I could not open up in our smell. So the man said, if you are the owner of the account, I need identity card or I need a debit message. The phone way. Now I withdraw you with them. You know your phone, man, I give me debit. I was smiling and crying at the same time.
Smiling in pain.
Oh no, sorry sir. I know you go me with it's starting on me. They collected my iPhone again and I will do I think I was using 11 Pro Max and I collected it and I will do Then ni the POS ni information ready get to vigilante. When vigilante or get police in Nigeria. Information already survey vigilante. Mais wa ba si ni yan va you go me rawo yan escort me ladian the next vigilante few one what's it called Passat yan few one Passat stop there should I say thief you know go ya o e o tin me go yan na so the next thing no about la me mad was no wa come vigilante we take me inside your car anywhere you push me like owo mo tin yan yan va na wa zowe vigilante na wazinha e que vigilante mané ba muya we asiya wona me que na pa ka chela ina isso na lele uwe na chela so they escaped so vinha bari ya for me la goya sumo touch life phone already came ya pay money before na wa yoni we bossa e na ya wu moto ni e me na ze ge yoni la nya me la we moto de vigilante ni me na ono ni me wa ono ni otime no re hostage here you from where I call Eleni. We now pick okay, you smart abi you can carry your brother cups for nini. No, I mean that's not come because here my trust me. If value no lay ni. Here my way go back to Kenimoto ye. So those people were thinking here value. You don't give them the money. Now yes sir. Wait now they don't know.
When I really because I thought the one I said this guy is cool. Let's make some noise for the brother, my friend, so cool.
It's Super Fierce with a mic. He's super fiery with a conversation.
Yeah, we no Nissan, me no hoy. Go in to yere o tin o yo we value me.
He is the master of ceremony, one of Benin finest, the citizen.
All right, people, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son, you know.
But no, today is calling my phone and I'm on top of it, sir.
Don't waste card finish yo.
Book him now for your event. Is it a birthday party? Is it a wedding ceremony? Is it a burial event? Do you want it in English or do you want it in a dual language? He is ready to make that your event a funniest one. Gorilla Multimedia is also into event planning and they offer fantastic tap DJ service to give that your event a bubbly nature. For more info, contact us on 081 79 111 024.
I love Gorilla Multimedia. They see two boys, they walk out towards our direction. They just run, leave me now. Let me do it now. They say, the money you give them, you should say you give them. I say yes. Your ATM, you deal with you. I say yes, sir. You deal with me, sir. Money still inside. I say where? No touch my brother. They say no problem. They say okay. Where are they now? And I say assistant for near the POS. So they say okay, come on there. They say man, they use like they work out. They come Holy Cross. Where Holy Cross there? Me no know. And I say okay, sir. Then the vigilante comes say good. All those are called radio stay CID. So he lost control. The vigilante can say, since they say me I can come Holy Cross, me I not fear, me I just go. They go dey behind. They say no. Now me not want to go do action for you. They don't carry wetin they wan carry. Wetin not suppose dey think of now na how to bring my brother out. He say make I now say if you go wear this cloth, this thing wey I wear so for this thing, I fit pull am give you. Me no get hand. I no dey follow una dey go anywhere. I just wan go sit down one place for now see my brother. So let me know. They say no man, no fear nothing. And I say no, I no fit oga. One of the vigilante follow me go corner. I come pull close, give am. He come wear. He come dey read the waka dey go the.
How about your rascal with the vigilante carrying?
That na wetin dem see when dem no stop. So when dem reach the holy cross without their idol, without their old Jesus, no say that Jesus be like flat. That 300 dey flat. Before they reach the holy cross, when they see person wey dey waka dey go, no carry dread, but he wear my cloth, no carry dread. And so they use, in fact, they run their kilometer full, pew, speed pass.
Your brother dey with them.
My brother dey with them. Then they come say, so you smart? You go call police, abi? When I say, no, I no call police, so una drive pass me. They say, no, no worry, why you go kill your brother? Ah, I beg you, me never happen to vigilante. My name come to Bowe Guiana, man. I can't even dey blame myself, say, my brother no you go pass this thing like this. Then after like 5 minutes, they call again. This one I kidnap already now. They call say, make I no worry. As far as I know, say I don't give all those people that 100,000. No worry, you'll see your brother. I'm gonna see your brother na Benin person who Wajowa. I can say, where's this sir? Where's this sir? Where's this sir? I can say, no worry, your brother will call you and we'll leave this small phone with him. He will call you. Then they go through with my brother for whether I don't know. They don't even know where he did. Because we were blindfolded. Two of us, they tie our face when we did that motor. The only time when they open my face now, when I want to follow, they go POS. They collect my shoe, bed, go reach gold nose ring, earring, collect everything. Metro in there. Owó mọ́tò akédo visit passport pamọ́ bí wọ́n ní avẹ́ yóò wẹ̀ so that wáyé ní yà lèlé yàn sẹ̀ POS sẹ́yìn ẹ̀yà fi ọ̀tẹ́ mẹ́fọ́. That was how it went. But at that time, in the morning of it, Mateo, I don't want to like the more the thing like media, but a lot of people were talking to me like, how even university came in this scenario. If yes, when you figure it in so no matter how Ijando orí ẹ̀ bá wẹ̀ yà lé street ni. And the man that I street ni I don't know. Igba mẹ́rin Nigeria ní kéwì èmi kàn mí kẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ ni. Ọgbẹ́ ajé ààrẹ tán kìnnà bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbé ọ̀kan náà ráwọ̀ gíàsùn. Ààrẹ kókó ní if it was not a video shoot, yẹ́ ìyàwó rẹ̀ ẹ̀ ti rè palace ẹ̀ tẹ́ ya mìíràn rẹ̀.
Akẹ́zọ́ askẹ́t of airport road náà.
Yeah.
Dékè náà ẹ̀ dùn náà tó wá kàn náà.
Stadium road ẹ̀rọ àná, they did it.
Anye stadium yẹn dúró yà.
Amanya yẹn, but if you don't even do that,
Only a bad government.
no.
A brother mayere and a brother yara suse.
Oh yeah.
Or really, away your money or your life in Nigeria. All right, I will go on a break. Trust me when I say I will be right back. Don't move. The notion when people don't forget about this place, Nigeria is bad, Nigeria is no, they just the promote. They wonder with all this experience now, how our people when they diaspora could still fit they come, say maybe they still come. But all the same, I will not be one boom or you know. I think we appreciate most especially. I believe you have every reason to appreciate.
Yes, especially the
police
vigilante. The vigilante first. No, any policeman now. Yeah, about our security.
Maybe not see every man west and police brutality. Why we not have
so even with police here was funny. There way vigilante maka intervene. Imagine way ultimately could do. So, but still the same. Kudos to the vigilantes and kudos to the police as well. Although it's not fair enough because they were not caught at the same. So about the thing I need. Bosuno, where 100% police are going. But kudos to the vigilante and the police as well. I will say.
Now still the insecurity matter.
Yes,
still the insecurity matter. So just thank God as if they come up for house, you need to pray so that may bring you back safely. But still on the matter, we not go allow that one may draw us back. You get it? So, Kaba now, let's tackle the quagmire. Where don't they systematically they hijack the music industry right there in diaspora.
Okay.
Yeah. I believe is very audible to the deaf and visible to the blind, where 70% of the music when they bring out from there at the diaspora. So I don't want to use the word they are whack. According to waiting people talk. Even the people when busy, they even good when they house. And we're doing well in terms of music, that they pull out fantastic musics and all. But automatically they can't get one funny way when they take this sound. When we say not to, they online with the way, music when we suppose they hear. So that actually got people talking. Where so you as a person, how can you describe the music industry over there?
First and foremost, make a correct one impression.
Okay.
That's in Europe, never year.
Okay.
The indigenous artist or whoever that is making up proud over there. That's in Europe in near year. Now that's where they work. I believe the same Europe in my year.
Okay.
We are there as well.
Yeah.
This Iranian man have winning a hit.
Okay.
So ahead the country.
Okay.
There are a lot of artists who based there in diaspora that in your mind sound. Most of them don't know sound. See,
Okay,
you can be gifted with the talent to sing.
Okay.
You might not have idea of how it goes. In Masuro, they are songwriters. But in here we want it. In here we wait to be here. Egbe ate Joshua. Why in Masuro no salobari ororo nina? Ogwasu magwasu oyi laladia. So what I'm trying to say is ni manigo ni we diaspora no we te fi we are okay no deliver do the diaspora negi deliver according to you we talk work or created the work sound. Most of them are looking for cheaper sound. Most of them or why are they microphone omo yo wa we producer Eric never went to music school. You cannot play any musical instrument. You don't know sound. You don't know music. So far we work you feel you are a producer or you are an artist. Let me use myself as an example.
Okay.
I'm a producer. When I mean I'm a producer, I beat. I focus on mixing and mastering. There is no sound.
You know the mix sound.
Nearby mix, nearby master.
Or they create beat.
No, he creates a beat. A producer don't create a beat. Or look at it. We producer don't mix and master. Why I'm a producer don't create a beat? Or you were missing and mastering there. Like Sele Bobona, let me use it as an example. In Lagos, or create a beat. But if you not focus mostly or in mixing and mastering, most of those sounds now Sele Bobona or they invoke with you want to trending now. But to you miss most of the sound. You miss a master most of all those sounds not trend. So all they will already or say no euro. But most of us in the diaspora, while you are producing one a studio, 200 euro will be fellow Nigeria. I so what maybe we Bavaria way. Here Ghana Mario go. When you go neck, Ghana Mario go. When you go speaker. Okay. We are delivering you. We are delivering you. I told you now. I want to producer. In the when in the K, a web producer in Nigeria. Hello, bro, that boy from Italy, when you sing everywhere, Pepe. So I'm just making an example. Girl. Oh, okay. So, bro, I want me to do one beat for me. Okay. I want me to do one beat for me. No worry, I will record now, Mr. Master, and just do the beat.
Okay, maybe do the beat from here.
Where can the producer, you don't even know sound.
Okay.
Like I love doing my songs.
Okay.
We have the beat side they give me. We not the beat side the way. When they sing one yo, I might not deliver as you want. Let me just be with you. I will cheer one you are cool. I say Afa, play bass like this. Hey Afa, play drums like this. I go feel the groove. When they compose, when they do songs. Me not they write. Me yes. Most of my songs they say you just sing I not the even write song. Like most of my first song, let me say kudos to my first song when make that wave 2017 to 18 for Europe. Kudos to Sports Tools when we play that beat for my house. I get home studio when I tell the mix and master. I know they will play beat. He just come and say, Baba, you want to come on your side? And I say, okay, no problem. As he come in and producer, which I know from Nigeria, they make beats well. He come with a laptop, we begin make beat. I never know anything like you want to go. He all create the beat. Then this one go make sense. This beat go make sense. I can't drop one half freestyle for the beat. Then I can't use only one article. You want to go as sentence for inside the freestyle. You want to go the sister. I just drop the bar. So when this guy come out from my studio, I can't replay the beat because I been make I fix something for this beat. Now play. That was how I fixed. But when I even fix him, I said, he said, Jesus, the thing mad. In why you come correct the beat so that I go no be chorus there because we have play like freestyle just they play, they drink for studio. So that was how that song was made. So what I try to talk, we say most of all those people when they create wax songs, they just believe they be producer. Why some of them and the producer will get the fault? Some of them will really carry money go give producer, but producer will watch Libya. Maybe I don't want to go anywhere, Vancouver. I don't know why they make it. They katu. You know what they will buy you. Where buy the key? I will go with producer with him. Most of all my hit songs, apart from this single mother, most of all my hit songs were created in diaspora. I will not live it. I will not live here. Yeah, what the producer at the studio? Because most of all those producers when they work for me, when they create my songs, like Spargy, Sportstones. This last song when I do so, what was it called? At Jobs. Most of all those people, they give me work as well. Most of them not too focused on mixing and mastering. Just they create beats, record. Some of them will just come here. Don't be after now. I want to send one that on your email. I bet mix and master. I get good. So that's why I say they call them. I don't say because I say I just have been mixing and mastering. Make I go enter because I guess like number one, not be say pride. I guess sound studio. Maybe say Huawei studio. But I never want to say, never make a make a record. I want to keep my career by myself. I they call they come down, it will come down. It will come down, it will create beats, it will do everything, it will come out. I say, Baba, take go. Some say, no, you're not boss. I say, no. So that was how I created all my sound. So in your name is work, my brother. Everything you decide to, most of them, in your car working initially. Why most of them, they don't even understand what is music, not the talk of sound. So why producer and money Boria?
So outside your song, you the master, you the mix for other people.
Yes. Yes, a lot.
So which other songs you don't master, you don't mix, we don't go viral?
There is an artist in diaspora, he's called Spargy. He's also a producer. Okay. One of his favorite songs. I'm the one that mastered the song. I even know the
You still remember the title of the song?
Okay. I even know again. I just want to touch the wave. When the waves is very if I can still remember. Initially, my what woman decided the way make only I want to know because with the or something. It tell me I dedicate to your woman or send me dedicate to your woman because I just want to satisfy the audience. No, higher down here. Are you getting it? Every artist we are now because artists we are when you say the big deal I don't know what. Yes. A penta, higher moment. Artists in we are missing in now, we mastering in now. A producer higher moment, who produce this song? I bet it's man. I can't want to miss a master. But cat to the producer pay. When so my go to office, I don't master, a kick in I bill. I go to reduce it, not by low bill. My daughter total engineer, like me, I can engineer sound. Any connection or attire.
VS, how can you describe your kind of song? I am Afrobeat, I'm Afro Juju, I'm Afro reggae. How can you describe
Afrobeat me initially. Okay. 100% Afrobeat. But I'm a kind of, should I say, commercial artist. I make sound nearby flow to me. But even another way, you are sounding like this person. Okay. I never want to, and I will never. I want to be original myself. See, that is why I'm just different. Maybe a lock of wire blow. Maybe a lock of wire blow. Single mother. Maybe a lock. Will not a lock. A way, One thing about music is to be an artist. While the other one is to maintain your fame. Honor the real.
Yeah.
You can just blow. Let me make example. When I was in one title it gift, for instance, in one in our trend everywhere, went global.
Okay.
After that gift got trained everywhere, how are you going to remain? To get fame,
Okay.
easy one side,
Yeah.
the other side is not easy. But to maintain the fame, now the hardest. And we put this is 2017, this is 2021. Why you up? Every year you dey give them something to talk about. You dey give them something to talk about. Where do I pass glory? Yahweh. So my kind of song to me, 100% Afrobeat.
Okay.
But inside this Afrobeat, we know say indigenous na 75 or 70% inside. And now we the one they allied some English for our sounds because of some people when we say they know the hear our local dialect. When Olamide here now, he can sing 100% on Yoruba. Mani we do here adore.
Yes.
But Marawi we go 100% Edo. Even not deaf you. Of you, where? When I know they hear the language. But Shakiti Bobo, Fakarasi Bobo, where you know there. But you bought it. Obey. Understand it now? So, honestly, that way, I give my very boy.
Yeah.
So, my sound now, I dey want to put at least 30% English so that other people will do. Like this new sound I just dropped was also in Europe. In fact, I got 50% of English for that song. Few Benin get or 60% English.
So meanwhile, systematically, you don't dey digress now, because from the way it is, Edo, where it cannot marry
Or Igbo.
You understand? Now Edo, when you dey use Benin, they sing. Now I give you that platform.
Now give me the glory.
Now I bring you
To the light.
So now, simply because of a matter, maybe public demand. So now, the one you can't do now, you can't use 50. So what's the possibility? Say the one you want to do next, you know, go use 70 English percent.
No,
because it's like systematically we are being carried away by what people.
Let me break it down. When Edo State is now here initially, do you know we don't have Edo TV?
Not really.
Okay, that's an example. We don't have things that are promoting Edo music in Edo State. Obere, 90% of having one in Omwedoni, we spend more
Now you push it.
to push it. We spend more. Like, if I'm taking single mother, English you are single mother self, let me say that first in Winnipeg. If I'm taking in Winnipeg or Ugiagbe or Ifeanyegbe to Lagos, to San City, first of all, you can rate the language. I have to pay for subtitle. Like I have subtitle, if a basic man Edo State in animal now, we have Edo TVs, no promo when San City, big TV here. I could only do live music here because of me. But if you Yoruba, must say Yoruba so now so president. All the you know where the total where? In language you mean wow, you know, it is not a commercial language. It is not universal. And a lot of people will not understand. It's not Igbo. It's not Hausa. It's not Yoruba. And these are the three major languages in Nigeria. So I cast subtitle. Oh man, we can't in one now. The same Yoruba man. So all the agreement I go on see the man try the man have English. No, there is no way the man has one. Or when they have feature the artist no trending now. There must, and it must be 50% up for Edo sound.
Okay.
No,
so you dey maintain.
Yes. I
was
switch.
Now the maximum now you go. So okay, 50. You not go beyond that.
Because I can say do why you the 70, do why you the 80. I'm just doing it to maintain so that all the court expenses in less cinema. Then if you going on the red do, you have a about the flow with the sound. Yeah, but you understand. So that's it. So we are not living a door as far if I need glory in life. Make us see we born up by very out on. We video ni we believe we go So it's when I decided to bring it down to my people, send the message across. Salobana blow the trumpet. So I'm just trying to maintain it.
Okay. You use the word not quite long, and that was a fundamental statement. You know where you're not the low person, they do something. You are original. Don't VS is don't VS.
Never know.
Anything.
Never know.
But I guess you have a role model.
Yeah, I'm a role model, but I don't even sound like my role model.
So who that one would be?
Like when I was small, me using the word, we all were looking up to Two-Face. Okay. So many of us. Because at as then, it was Two-Face, which Plantation Boys, P-Square, which was Peter and Paul, Wood Boy, Mr. P now. So then, most songs I was listening to was Two-Face.
Okay.
Well, Two-Face, even all the breakouts from Plantation Boys, okay. I was playing Two-Face almost, but I wasn't sounding like him. He was meeting his step away. We are very humble, very kind, very I pick so many things from her. So I take her as my role model, but I wasn't sounding like him. Okay. May I swear the kind of songs in Two-Face you. But I choose it as my role model for so many ways. Okay. Number one is humbleness.
Okay.
It's polite, it's kind, and it's calm. I don't get it.
So, yeah, I'm getting it.
So I choose it as my role model. I need a meeting in. So I come across him on my award in 2018. So on my award in I think Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy. It was what was this called? Zoya Global Entertainment. They were doing Nanga Abi Mega something 2018. Nega is Nollywood Film Festival and Award. Okay. Nega 2018. He was the one that came and gave me one golden award. Till now, I cherish that award most.
He gave you, or they say make it present.
He was the one that presented it to me. Yeah. So the award was issued out from Nega okay. Which is Nollywood Film Festival and Award, Germany. So he was the one that presented it. From there, the love comes strong again. Yeah. So my role model never even give me award. So that was it. So
VS, you as well said, you go one more thing you know. You said from the look of things, from the way I can see things, when I witness a Plantation Boys, when Plantation Boys with Plantation Boys, where your momos are, to be very candid.
You are witness a
okay. So it's like where in our kakabo. A Plantation Boys Ikiri. So I'm not witness a Plantation Boys in Nessa. I'm below 30.
Okay. Let me make an example. Again, Pisco Nona. Again, Pisco was the same time with Plantation Boys. Again, I got a story. It's now a story. Instrumental anime, they don't know. Yeah, I'm a little better here. I beg, make I just perform. Make I just. So make you Daniel the DJ. Oh, up there. I got the white. Akedo. So then we were just coming. So I witnessed it.
You started the race here?
Yeah. Yes.
Back then.
Yes.
So what year is that?
Initially.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create fun Easter times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081 79 111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia. 2004.
I've been at 94.
No, 2004 if I can recall. 2004.
So I guess somebody inspired you.
Yes. Although he's not that famous anyway. He's not even famous. I don't think he's still doing music.
Okay.
It was a guy, as in doing music. They all look cute. We mostly the guy was cute. His name is 2Nines. Our guitar. Our boss guitar. Fanboy. I couldn't tell me I guess it. Well, I like this guy. This guy he go on the track and babe for our area. And the babe can be my bestie and then my bestie younger sister. So you have to track it, like, what they tell that babe say, that alpha. Come let us with this your guy now.
Yes.
Only about a 2 nights I got to the guy. The 2 nights about you want my boss guitar. You want me ada you the thing wa. So on my book bar again. 2 nights of women like music. You get by again. Or I will magic you again. Wow, endless thing right here. Endless magic boy. Or so new
Yeah, black
guy.
Oh, you know.
Yes, endless. It's not a boot here. It's not a magic man.
Yeah. Magic man, yeah.
It's not called magic man.
Yeah.
So a man was close to a 2 nights enough. So my is a Nadari magi men, nada magi no magi manaka me. Me no magic with magic man again next mawate because we just we me. Wopa. So we afa. Emi na o si we na no gbare na. La o matuni ma we music. We money na o ke wala we yan wa go egun, ona wa go ni gon 2 nights baby my younger brother. 2 nights. Ona we na fishing, na yes, we fishing. Mana de tape no le cassette na ya record ona okay mara de tape ni ma betebu me yake orai osebere ni magbala music the same time next course or even now he's not a gospel artist and he's still doing well for himself.
Okay.
So ana my de tape ni my ga be a bit with the obo table na pin that red button no when one small tape very ni or me one red button. There might be empty cassette. My record there. My cassette is my record. My like my freestyle. Have freestyle. No, the guy we can't track a baby away. Have them we boss. We never strong wish. You want now? We never know singing intention for us, but we dey see this guy for TV. So we dey think say as we dey see him for TV. Maybe get important thing when we don't see that thing are constant event shows.
Yeah.
Then they go for which was Bitter Laugh back then at TBS Adowa.
Yeah. I
Bitter
went there
Laugh,
as well.
yes. With the likes of youngest landlord as then it was youngest old man. The likes of who again? Yellow Fever. Scarface, this same guy will bring us to the music industry, 2Nines. Then who again? The Exodus, so those boys. Then Chris Two Step of it. This character, yes, Chris Two Step was the presenter. Was then. So on the long run, I now continue the rehearsal until the guy you know, you want to watch no one man. You have to be my DI, on the Vima to the Mouta, on the Vima Diamapa. You want a bit of P square, you got tomorrow.
Yeah.
And my one many, any artistic guy you are born for them, all the way bonus, you totally, or instrumental. So any song in my hand, even most of me, agree instrumental.
Yes.
So, my man, whether a track in the instrumental. But the instrumental was also a man by
yeah.
They may rap there with the CD other record there with the tip. So the guy not to brush him out with one bar. Artist. You know what me say the first time to beat a laugh. Me want me to say we know the fubu. 7 days. Pass on the fubu yo. Mariah Kena. Oh yeah, on va marier bit à la. Obviamente c'est bit à la. On vient Kenya qui audition.
Regardez Sammy James il là-bas.
Sammy James. Fait construire encore mais bon, et mon aura ou plus de bit à la avec Chris Two Step, Yellow Fever IDOP. Then the lights of all the youngest landlord, youngest landlord. Then it was youngest with my aura with comedy. Then get back again with Jeep Pants up on quoi. Non non, c'est Mr. Pants. When anything we are where I am winning the go. So again the youngest landlord, he was gome too. I gome to do J adasiki pa. So, I be must be to laugh. You know, be more like room partner with the audition room, which he put us in a movie. I can like TV. Where I can perform any never. But we have to perform any. You write a good argument where you. Me I point the any. Yes, I love that age. When you buy my house, when you back, any boys. No, I construct in the bima. I construct in the bima. Moi souvent il y a Nigeria because even we are soon even no can remember although it can sound rubbish to you know but again imagine a whiskey so we're like that girl she just did from the go this girl she just did do the go that girl like our way yeah, if you say,
the killer.
Yes, now. Me was so close to me. I see me wow. No, you never score. It's not a gospel alley. You want if you in the win. You want to tell baby, yeah, yo. So we just on it. That first day on TV after the interview that took us to TV, we showed up. He make it by what he have it. We are showing it.
Why me so wa marre?
And the partner he get by the other. Power again. He want to talk about EBS hotel. The broadcasting service. Then tell us though. Over you my hope we.
Yeah.
That's why in Akataba at least by now a doc economic TVs no promo you want free of charge. Yes, so that the upcoming won't be discouraged. Because again, the moment opportunity in Yasho will tell you. Yasho will tell you consistency need. Why Yasho will tell you always. All the area open me with. I can never be YMC. Then YMC was staying online. Julia. I can never be Julia. I will show. But so a bit of Africa, you show the program in here the show good morning. I will show you. Me wana na you da kame mo na I swear to God me just studio imagine na mu phone ye or with I recorded first song with studio no I was just going to beat a laugh with instrumental I was saying
yourself and it is we
yes me wa oh shit me get this away get football me get people do you want shit yo then when apart from this Two-Face, P-Square, who again? The Mara look up to. 80% of us were still looking up to American artists. If me and the guy, or I bond the ma mère bond ma 50 cents guy me bond ma même me bond ma so il me va rebonder ni yobo hey god la rebonder ni yobo o do jewe e wo ni agbe it's time very getting kudos to sister Osato Arabe. Then you have vu mon gima on vieux gima avec no gars viva. Il y avait pas non c'est venu. Mais il y a pas. Mais ça va avant mais America avec although il pense là on est vieux. Moi me karate
yo ba le band na le
awa on est oh bo le wo ni wa bo la gbe 05. Et ça gbe 02.
50 cents on ya.
Awa go no yo. So me wa gajo si me ni wa gaje. Awa ma mi tala wo re awa de jinsi. Agency lẹ́gẹ̀ ní gbẹ̀sọ̀ 450 300 àwọn nàkì agency yọ gbẹ̀ ẹ̀họ́ valley football yọ mi àwọn ẹ̀dẹ̀ mi àwọn vẹ́ football tèrè kọ́tà ọ̀dọ̀ àní rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ìrẹ́fà owó náà yá sí ẹ̀ hey god ẹ̀yẹ́ náà tá mọ́ wọn. So me actually TV ni the thing was giving me more like yeah ìrẹ́rẹ́ Et je me connais à rien, Hiro, nous doit Hiro, on était Hiro, mais me tomato si you, Yahweh. Et bien, son est wash me le télé. Yahweh, si d'abord on s'y faut télé, si d'abord on s'y faut télé.